taping. There you go. So you said the ground was stuck on from the hard pack?
Yeah, there's ground stuck in there. I'm gonna pull his foot forward. You guys weren't here when I had to pull these shoes off. Hi, buddy. Don't eat me. Yeah, don't eat me.
Here, Russ. Good. No, I'm outside for 2 minutes, so. Okay, what does the pin firing do exactly? 'Cause we don't know.
It heals an injury.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what they use it for. I don't know if it's for both tendons or for splints or if it's both.
How often do you know?
What's that?
We don't know yet.
It's a pretty common.
Yeah, wrong horse. I see a lot of them.
Yeah.
I see a lot of them have it.
It's pretty common. Okay, buddy. Let's see these back feet.
So yeah, we don't know. If it's bow, he wouldn't be running.
Yeah, but if he had inflammation, I know sometimes they
Okay.
do it like if there's inflammation. I don't know how it works, why it works.
Yeah.
I just know it's a common occurrence. Okay.
Vet work. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you keep his shoes, babes. Hang it up. First shoes.
You okay? Can you stop the picture? The white. The whole body?
Yeah.
You got a lot? I see one.
I'm just gonna just flip it.
Good boy.
No, where that was located, that's not his tendons, more dong, right? So probably wouldn't be for tendons.
This is on his cannon bone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So probably not for tendons, right?
Probably not, but he probably had inflammation
Okay.
at some point, and that's probably why they pin fired him.
Okay.
Don't break wind, okay, Spice?
He's so used to having somebody else do this. He's like, I'm just gonna let my foot flop all over the place. You're okay, pal. You're okay, pal. You're alright. Good boy.
Okay, babe, let's go back in.
Hold on.
Okay.
I need one to see one off.
Good boy.
Yay! Got one now. You want to do it?
Why did you try and do it?
มาโฟดีบอกว่าโอ้นอน
Okay. You're okay.
เอ้ย ชุบ bit me you bit me